How to fix App Store asks for old ID password on iPhone in iOS 16 or 17. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now click on the option Media and Purchases. Click on the option of Sign Out. Are you sure this will sign out of Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, Apple TV and more? Click on Sign Out. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, sign in back with the new password. Once you do that, now what you can do is head back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the option FaceTime and Messages. Disable these two functions in your device for some time and again you can enable it. Likewise, what you can do is open this option of Screen Time. Open the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Open the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. Now here you will see the section of Required Password. Set it to Don't Require. With that, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix App Store asks for old Apple ID password on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.